Hi students, how are you? I think everyone fine and safe and following the classes also. I think you know that we are discussing the topic of rights and duties. In our last class, I explained you the duties, types of duties, along with human rights concepts also. So today I am going to continue the topic. The concept is today's relationship between rights and duties. I think every one of you have an idea regarding what are duties, what are rights. Till these all the lesson we are discussing regarding about these two issues only. Rights are claims or demands by an individual, whereas duties are generally obligations, responsibilities the individual must and should bound to do. This is the basic differentiation between rights and duties. Okay, but at the same time, these rights and duties are also having some relationship between them. What is that relationship? Generally, we may thought that rights are quietly different from duties. There is no question of relationship between these two concepts. They are the two extreme ends in such a way our mind is going to thinking always. But that is not wrong. There is a close relationship is there between the rights and duties. Rights and duties are considered as the two sides of a same coin. Two sides of a same coin. You know that a coin is having two sides. One is tail, one is head. Like that, if rights are on one side and duties are other side, they are inseparable. This is one of the important aspect. Rights and duties are, even though they seems to be appear different, they are not different. They are not two extreme ends. They are not be able to separable because they are like the two sides of a same coin. And at the same time, rights imply duties. That means rights are nothing but duties, and duties are entitled to rights. If you perform your duty, that will entitle, give you a chance to avail the rights of you. That is the basic aspect. For example, as I told you so many times, when you complete your homework, the teacher give you a chance to go out of the classroom. Until you did not complete your homework, that means you did not perform your duty well, then you have no chance to avail, utilize rights also. In this way, duties are entitled to rights and rights imply duties. This is the basic relationship going to be existing in between the rights and duties. One more important aspect is there. If you try to understand it, you have a chance to understand the total basic relationship primary important relationship between the rights and duties. Here, if the state gives the right to life to a citizen, you know that this is one of the important right to life. Who provided that? That is to you provided by the state. Why it is going to provide you? It is going to provide you to live happily. For that purpose only, state is going to give you right to life, to have an opportunity of spending an happy life in this on this earth. So, if such right is given by the state, so to citizen, it not only giving a right to you, it also putting an obligation. What obligation is? It is going to putting not to expose his life to dangers. That means we never expose our life to the dangers. Whenever we are going to expose our life to dangers, what will happen? There is a chance for death, or hazards or dangers are going to be occurred. Not only that, and not to respect, not to go for the aspect of others' rights also, not to disturb others' life also. So, we always respect the life of others also. In this way, the same right is implicating two aspects. The right is to be utilized in a proper way. That is our duty. That is our duty to respect the life of others. It is our duty to not to expose the life to dangers. In this way, in a primary nature, even though it seems to be like a right, it is implying two duties here. In this way, rights imply duties. If you perform this, you have a chance to have a right, that is the right to life. This is the basic relationship between the rights and duties. Generally, how the sun and shadow move in a normal way, go in hand, like that only rights and duties also move like shadows and a sun go in hand. This is the basic aspect. Even though this much of close relationship is going to be existing in between these two concepts, that is rights and duties, there is a slight difference is also there between the rights and duties. One is, right is nothing but privilege granted to an individual. What is privilege? Privilege is a special type of sanction that is granted to an individual so that we can avail the rights. Privilege is nothing but a special type of sanction. And whereas what is the definition of duty? Definition of duty is nothing but responsibilities or obligations. Here rights are privileges, whereas duties are responsibilities or obligations. One more difference is there, that is rights can be defended by an individual through courts or they can be challenged in the court also. For example, our right to life is there, fundamental right, necessary right. If anyone harm to us, we can approach the judiciary court and we can defend, protect ourselves, and we can challenge the person who try to take away the rights from us also. In this way, this is one of the important point regarding about the rights. But duties are cannot be defended, cannot be challenged, because they are left to the consciousness, discretionary thought of an individual. He has to perform. What is the duty of a student? He has to perform. Duty of a government, it has to perform. There is no type of, there is any type of challenges, interpretation of courts will be not there in case of the duties. In this way, these are privileges, these are responsibilities, these are defended, challenged through courts, these cannot be defended, challenged through the court of law also. In this way, these rights and duties are very important. We have to use for the existence of the peacefulness, harmony among the individual in the society. So, you know that generally in our constitution there are 11 fundamental duties are there. These fundamental duties are the basic duties. Every person, every individual must and should follow these fundamental duties, even though they are cannot be challenged in the court also. For example, respect of national anthem and respect of national flag, quick scientific temper, like these 11 fundamental duties are there. If you have more interest regarding these 11 fundamental duties, you can get it from the Google also. Just go through them so that what are our fundamental duties, we came to know about them. So it is very important aspect. This is all about the relationship between the rights and duties. With this concept, our rights and duties topic has been completed. So before completing of this lesson video, you try to memorize what you have learned in this topic. You have studied definition of rights, classification of rights, and safeguards of rights and human rights, and at the last level you try to understand the relationship between the rights and duties, differences between the rights and duties, and a small tip regarding about the fundamental duties also. This is all about your topic rights and duties. So with this, this concept, this chapter has completed. We will go for next concept in our next video. So try to understand all these issues. Go through back if you are not able to understand them, or if you felt any problem in understanding, just WhatsApp me through our group. I will give you the clarification, full information except fundamental duties. It is your duty to gather these fundamental duties. So for that 11 fundamental duties, I am not giving you any information. As you a citizen, just fundamental duties, if you typed on Google, you can get everything of that 11 fundamental duties. After gathering them, if you are not able to understand, I will give you the clarification regarding about that particular fundamental duty only. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye. And I forget to say you that always you complete your notes alternate day or every day without fail. I am sending you the notes also. It is your duty to complete it and show me whenever at what time I am going to ask you. At that time you punctually complete your notes perfectly in a neat handwriting also. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.